Golden Redeem!
Execute!
This event speaks volumes of what we have achieved through our Sama-Sama Tulong-Tulong. This is also a testament that strong bonds of friendship coupled with vision and commercial enterprises bring progress to any locality. And the same must be felt by its people. We know that all tall towers and luxurious dwellings define not progress but the livelihood and sustained comfort we give our people.
Dito po sa Bacoor, pipilitin po natin na magpantay-pantay ang mahirap, pati ang ating pong mayayaman na kababayan. Na magkaroon man lang ng sarili at disente na tirahan katulad dito. It's very near Metro Manila. Kaya naman tayo, choice talaga ng karamihan dahil yung vicinity natin. Kaya ang city government with our city council headed by Vice Mayor Rowena, kami pong lahat ay welcome namin ng Golden Garden City.
Commitment extends beyond real estate. We aim to be part of the transformation of Bacoor, Las Piñas, and its neighboring cities into a more eco-friendly, desirable place to live. Together, I am confident we will not just succeed, we will redefine success. Thank you for being part of this journey. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap sa project and very happy to share this venture to everyone. And very proud and we're happy to share this project with all of you. Maraming salamat.